Welcome back, everyone. I want to solve this basic trigonometric problem in a very easy way. If sine x is equal to 3 over 5, 0 degree is less than x and x is less than 90 degrees, we are to find the values of the following: cos x, tan x, cot x, cosec s, sec s, and sin x minus 2 cos x all over 3 tan x. The first thing I will do is to represent this information on a triangle, a right-angled triangle. Sin x is 3 all over 5. Okay. Bear in mind the SOHCAHTOA. This is my right-angled triangle. I can either place my x here or here. Any one I choose, but I want to use here. So if I'm placing my angle here, this side automatically becomes the opposite. Yes. And this becomes the adjacent. This is always the hypotenuse because it is the longest side. But if I place it here, this will be the opposite. Take note. So since it is here, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. We are given sine x 3 over 5. So sine is opposite hypotenuse. Opposite hypotenuse. That means we have 3 all over 5. That's what it means. So let's look for this adjacent side. We are going to use Pythagoras rule. Let's call here, let's say P. So Pythagoras rule says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. 5 squared is equal to 3 squared plus P squared, which is the adjacent. 5 squared is 25. 3 squared is 9. So I can correct like terms. 25 minus 9 is equal to P squared. 25 minus 9 is 16. So if I take the square root of both sides, P will be equal to what? 4. Because the square root of 16 is 4. So the adjacent side is 4 units. Good. We can now determine what we are asked to find. Let's start with cos x. Cos is adjacent hypotenuse. Adjacent hypotenuse. That's 4 over 5. So cos x is 4 over 5. 4 all over 5. Tan x. What is tan x? Tan is opposite adjacent. Opposite adjacent. 3 all over 4. So tan x is 3 over 4. Alright, what is cot x? Now, take note. Cot is cotangent. Cot x is 1 all over tan x. 1 divided by tan x is actually 3 over 4. 3 all over 4. So this will actually give me 4 over 3. If we manipulate this, we are going to get 4 over 3. But let's see it. The division will turn to multiplication, and the reciprocal of this will be taken. So you can see that we have 4 over 3. So what is cosec x? Cosec x is 1 all over sine x. Good. This must be noted. Sin x is what? 3 over 5. So cosec x will be 1 all over 3 over 5. That will be 1 divided by 3 over 5. So manipulating this, we'll have 5 all over 3. Just the same way we did this. So this is our cosec x. What about sec x? Sec x is 1 all over cos x. Let me show you a very simple way to know it. The C here for the sec represents cos. The S here for the cosec represents sine. So I think you can use that to remember. Cosec is to sine, sec is to cos. So what is our cos x? Cos x is 4 over 5. So sec x will be 1 divided by 4 all over 5. So manipulating this will have 5 all over 4. It's as simple as this. So what will be the value of this? Sin x minus 2 cos x all over 3 tan x. We are given sin x as 3 over 5. Cos x is 4 over 5. Tan x is 3 over 4. So let's make the substitution. Sin x is 3 over 5. So we have 3 all over 5 minus 2 times, what's cos x? 4 over 5. 4 all over 5. Then divided by 3 times tan x. Tan x is 3 over 4. Okay, so let's simplify that. 3 over 5 minus 2 times 4 is 8. 8 over 5 divided by 3 times 3 is 9. So that will be 9 all over 4. Okay? Let's simplify this numerator. The denominators are the same, 5, 5. So let's just pick one. And we can just say 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8. Then divided by 9 all over 4. Good. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Minus 5 all over 5. Then let me use divided by 9 over 4. Minus 5 over 5 is minus 1. Divided by what? 9 all over 4. Okay? So that division will turn to multiplication, and I will reciprocate this fraction. So that will be minus 1 times 4 all over 9, which is actually equal to minus 4 all over what? 9. Minus 1 times 4 is minus 4. So this is a simple way to evaluate basic trigonometric questions like this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe, like, and share the video to your friends and to your classmates.